Good morning, students. Okay, yeah. This morning we'll be looking at differentiation from first principle. It's as simple as ABC, but before we consider this, let us know how to differentiate a given function, right? Let's know how to differentiate a given function. So now, when we say differentiation, you can write it down. Differentiation is the opposite of integration. Differentiation is the opposite of integration. Is that clear? Differentiation is the opposite of what? Integration, right? Okay. So if you agree with me, if differentiation is the opposite of integration, so let us define differentiation mathematically. Amen? Okay. Yeah. If you have been given y equals to ax raised to the power of n, we call this a function. This is a function. Are you following? This is a function. We call this dependent variable. This is called dependent variable. And this is called a constant. Amen. This is called independent what? Variable. Independent variable. And this is called index or power. Amen? Amen. Okay. Are you following? Index or what? Power, right? So it means this is the function y is equals to ax raised to the power of what? N, right? Yes. Yeah. We can now write this. Y is a function of x, because all of a sudden you will be asked to find what is called dy all over what? Dx. Why is it that y is a function of what? X. Because x is what? The independent variable. Do you understand? X is what? The independent variable. That is why y is a function of what? X. Okay, let's look at it in real life. Every one of us, we have parents, two of us. Two of us. So now, we depend on our parents, two of us. Okay, let us assume that somebody is answering Sonny Paul. This is the son name, two of us. This Sonny depends on his parents, two of us. Two of us. So now, if we look at it, it means this y is the Sonny, two of us. While the x is what? The Paul. That is why you see that you always see that Sonny Paul. Sonny Paul. Then when you look at it, okay, let us assume that this x is the y, then the p is, so if we are to find this function, it's a function, it means it's going to be ds all over what? The p, two of us. Can you see now? Okay. Yeah. So now I just want us to know have some ideas before we proceed further to differentiate from first principle. Amen? Amen. Okay. If you don't understand, ask questions. Is that clear? Yes. So now, if we are to assume if y is equals to, you'll now say find dy all over what? Dx. But sometimes this dy all over the x is also known as y prime. will be there. Is that clear? For now, this is not necessary. So if assuming you are asked to find y prime, is the same thing as what? Y all over. If in physics they use y dot, yeah, is that clear? So now if we are to find the y over dx, how to find the y over dx? This a is what? A constant, two of us. Okay, so it means our dy all over dx is going to, what we have here? N. So we use the n to multiply what is here. So if you use n to multiply a, what are you supposed to have? Na or an, two of us. So an and we have x here. So it's going to be an x raised to the power of this n again minus 1. This is the formula for differentiation. Do you understand? So anything they are talking about, this is the mathematical definition of differentiation. Do you understand? So anytime they are talking about differentiate, you must put this here. Is that clear? So this is the formula. If you know this formula, you are done with differentiation. Amen? So now let us fix idea with another example. If y is equals to 2x raised to the power of 5, then you are asked to find dy all over dx. Amen? Amen? Okay. So what we need to do, we write solution. Okay? Y is equals to 2x raised to the power 5. Two of us. Okay. Let us define our a. What is our a here? Then what is our x there? N here? 5, two of us. So what are we going to do? It means our dy all over the x is equals to what? 2 times 5 times 2 is what? So 10x raised to the power of what? 5 minus 1. Then the final answer will now be the x, the y over the x is equals to 10x raised to the power of 5 minus 1 is what? 4, right? So please take note. Don't write it in this form. The y all over the x. Some of you are very funny. 10x 4. You know, after taking series on it, you are possible. Yes. It's the truth now. So what you are saying on the board, your brain is just telling you, don't write it this way. This way is the correct way. You are on your own. Is that clear? So don't write it in this form. You are not correct. Amen? Amen. This is 10x 4. While this is 10x raised to power what? 4. So they are not the same thing. So please take note. It's very important. Amen? Amen. Okay. So you can now see that this is calculus. It is not difficult. Is it difficult? No. If you know this formula, you are done with differential calculus. If you know this formula of anything they ask you to differentiate, you don't have issue. Okay, now let us differentiate if y equals to 3x raised to the power 5 plus x raised to the power 2 plus 7, and you are asked to find dy all over the x. Do you know that it's simple as ABC? I want us to have the knowledge before we go ahead to differentiate from first principle. Is that clear? Do you understand? Are you following? Okay. So now, you don't need a prophet to tell you. You need a prophet. You can tell somebody this answer as long as this formula is concerned. Two of us. If you differentiate here, what are you supposed to have? 15x what?
X minus 1.
15x yes. Then if you differentiate this,
2x raised to the power of 2 minus 1.
then this is a constant. So this is 0. Why is it a constant? Because the independent variable is not attached to it. Did you see x here? No. So whenever you differentiate a constant, it gives you what? Take note, very important. Do you understand? This is called what? Constant. Are you following? So let's look at it together. Solution, our dy all over the x is going to give us this times this 15x raised to the power of what? 5 minus 1. Then plus 2x raised to the power of 2 minus 1. This is 0. It's not necessary to write plus 0. But if you feel like, amen? Then our dy all over the x is going to be what? 15x 5 minus 1. Then plus 2x 2 minus 1. It's not necessary to write raised to power 1. It's not necessary. Amen? Is it difficult? Is this difficult? Yeah. So sometimes you zoom it. Yeah. Where? No noise. Where? From the 2x. Yeah, yes. Yeah. Oh, you want to write one like this? So it's not necessary now. If you have x, this x is the same as x raised to power 1 now. It's not necessary. Your indices, true or false. It's not necessary. But if you say want to put, no problem. So now, I want to ask us a question. If we have y equals to x, and you are asked to find dy all over the x, what do you think should be your answer? 0? Are you sure?
Yes.
No. It's 1. True or false? Because solution, our dy all over the x is equal to, there is 1 here, easy to multiply, is the same x. So x raised to the power of 1 minus what? 1. Then our dy all over the x is equal to x raised to 1 minus 1. 0. Amen? And anything raised to the power 0 is what? Come back to indices. So our dy all over the x is equal to what? 1. Amen? Amen. Any question before we proceed? So now we want to consider first principle. We want to differentiate from first principle. Is that clear? We want to differentiate from first principle. I want to clean. Can I clean?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, now let us note that our dy, yes, our dy is equal to f open bracket x plus dx minus f of x. So at origin, we assume that here is x naught, here is x naught, right? Now, we also note that our dx is equal to x1 minus x naught. Amen? Do you understand? Yeah. Are you following?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
But in general, the formula for first principle is y plus dy is equals to f of x plus dx. This is the general formula. Whatever I want to use, first principle. Amen? Are you following?
Yes, sir.
This is the general formula. So now we are going to consider some functions, how we can substitute in some values to obtain exactly. So let's consider examples. Some examples. Then as it is, if we divide through by dx, it means our dy all over dx is equals to f of x plus dx minus sometimes f of x all over dx, right? Take note. Okay. Now let us consider some values. Amen. Let's consider some values. Okay. Example. If f of x is equals to x squared plus 5x minus 8. He said find dy all over dx, and what else again? As x changes from x changes as is a from x naught equals to 1 to x1 equals to 0. X not equal x1 equals to x naught plus dx equals to x naught plus dx. This is equals to 1.2. I think so. Yeah, 1.2. Then b. Then b from x naught equals to 1 to x1 equals to 0.8, right? Am I right? Yeah. That is that. Amen? Okay. So let's listen and let's go ahead and begin to solve this subject. Is that clear? Are you following? Okay. So now we write solution. They want us to find dy over what? As x changes from x naught equals to what? To okay. Amen?
Amen.
Yeah, it's simple as ABC. Yeah, it is not difficult. So now what we need to do here is everybody should look at the board. Please suspend whatever thing you are doing. Please. It's very important. Is that clear? Okay. Let us first consider here. We know that our f of x, this is our x naught. Our x naught is equal to 1. True or false? So it means anywhere we see x, we put 1. 1, right? So now f of 1 will now be equal to the function here. Okay, let me just write it out. Our f of x is equal to x squared plus 5x minus what? 8. Amen? Okay? So our f of 1 will now be equal to 1 all in square plus 5 open bracket 1 minus 8. True or false? Because anywhere you see x is what? 1. So you don't need a prophet to tell you our f of 1 is equal to 1 raised to the power 2 is the same thing as what? 1, right? So here is 1 plus 5 times 1 minus. So here we are going to have what? Minus 2. True or false? Because 1 plus 5. 6 minus 8. Minus 2. It means our x naught equals to 1. Our f of 1 is what? Minus 2. Sorry, f of 1 is equals to what? Minus 2. Amen? Okay. Now, what we need to do here is to consider this. Here, we are looking at this one. A. You discover that x1 is equal to what? x0 plus dx. This is equal to what? Amen? Okay. So it means, how can we obtain this x1? How can we obtain it? So what you need to do is, what is your x0? 1, right? Okay. So this implies that it means since our x0 is equal to what? 1, right? Okay. Here will now be either 1.2 equals to, sorry, or, okay, yeah, not x1 we want to find. We want to find the x. Yeah. We want to find the x. Then after finding the x, when we have these two things, we are going to obtain our what? x1. Let's look at it together. So it means our x0 plus dx is equal to what? 1.2. What is our x0? Okay. 1, right? Our x0 is what? 1, right? Okay. So it means 1 plus dx is equal to 1.2. So our dx is now equal to 1.2 minus what? So 1.2 minus 1 is what? 1.2.
0.2.
Huh?
0.2.
Press your calculators now to confirm.
0.2.
0. What? So it means our dx is equal to 0.2, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now, how can we obtain? Let us obtain our x1. Is that clear? So our x1 is now equal to x0 plus dx. True or false? Our x1 is equal to. Is it going to give you what? X0 is 1, right? Come in. Yeah. 0.2, yeah, we got it. Then our x1 supposed to be 1.2. Where is our x1? Okay. our x was supposed to be 1.2 coming. X1 minus 1.2 minus, yeah. Sorry, this is our x. Our x is, sorry, this is our x. Because x1 equals to x0 plus dx is equals to 1.12. So it assumes that our x1 is equals to 1.2. That. Yeah. So it assumes that this is. So we now equate it with this to obtain our what? Yes. Yeah. Thank you. So our x1, sorry, our x1 is equals to what? 1.12. Right? So now we now know how to, we are able to obtain our x1 dx, isn't it? And already we have been given what? x0, isn't it? We are sleeping at this time of the day. Very interesting. Okay, so let's proceed. Amen. So from A, they said from A we should find what? dy. What is dy? dy is what? Equals to what? Are you forgotten? I wrote it down. Now check your notes. Dy, they said find dy. It means dy is equals to what? That's what? X. This is 0 plus x open bracket minus f naught. True or false? Okay, so for us to obtain our dy, let us substitute in. So it means our dy is equal to f of, what is x naught? 1. What do we have here? What is dx? 0.2 plus 0.2 minus f naught is what? 1, right? Okay. So now, if you have this, what are you supposed to have? You are supposed to have 1.2. So our d was f of 1.2 minus f 1. Amen? Then we now recall back to the function. Recall how to find our d. Recall our f of what? X is given as x squared plus 5x minus what? 8. True or false? True or false? It's true, right? Yes, you agree with me, right? So now what we are going to do here is, if we assume our x to be 1.2, so it means at x equals to 1.2, it means our f of what? 1.2, which is this, will now be equals, anywhere you see x, you write what? 1.2. Thank you. So 1.2, all in bracket, raised to power what? 2 plus 5, open bracket, 1.2 minus your calculator. I'm showing you how to obtain dy. We need your calculator. 1.2 times 1.2. What are you supposed to have? 1.1. So it means here we are going to have 1.44, right? Then plus this times this 6, right? Minus 8. I have our f of 1.2. Add this up, minus 8. What are you supposed to have?
0.56.
0.56. It means our f of 1.2 gives us what? 0.56. Amen? Then let's come here. Are you following? Yes. What is here? f of 1. True or false? So it means at x equals to 1, this implies that our f of 1 is equals to, already the answer is here. Where is it? This is the answer, true or false? True. This is the answer now. All is square plus 5 open bracket 1, then minus 8, which is equals to minus what? 2. It means our f of 1 is equals to minus 2. Then we now come back. Our dy is equals to f of 1.2 minus what? 1. True or false? So our dy is equals to, what is f of 1.2? 5, 6. Yeah.
Minus 0.56.
You said?
1.44 plus 6 minus 8 is equal to minus 0.56.
Minus, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here is, here is minus. So here is minus 0.56, right?
Yes, sir.
Then here is minus. Our f of 1 is minus again. Minus 2. Amen?
Yes.
Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
So this implies that our dy is equals to minus 0.56 minus times minus plus 2. And what is the answer? Yes. Last one. What is the answer?
1.44.
1.44. It means, therefore, our dy is equals to 1.44. Amen? Any question? Okay. So let's move further to consider our. They say we should also consider what dy over what.
Yes.
It's not difficult. At this point, on your own, you can do it. True or false? You know your dy. What is your dy? What is your dx? So it means our dy all over the x is going to give us 1.44 all over what?
0.2.
Oh yeah, divide it. What is supposed to have? Divide it now. 7.2.
2. Yeah.
7.2.
Yeah.
Are you serious?
Yes, sir.
You are very sure.
100%.
Are you sure?
Yes.
7.2, right? Amen?
Amen.
So our dy all over the x is equals to 7.2, right? Okay. Now let's consider b. It means we are done with a. Is that clear? So let us consider b, right? What is b? From x naught equals to what? 1, right? We know that, okay, b. We know that our f of 1 is equals to 1 square plus 5 open bracket 1 equals to minus 8, which is equals to what? Minus 2, right? True or false? Then okay. Then let's consider f of 0.8. F of 0.8 all is square plus 5, 0.8 minus 8. Yes? Press, somebody should press calculator, or I'll just go. What are you supposed to have? You are supposed to have minus 3.36. You are supposed to have minus 3.36. It means our f of 0.8 is equal to minus 3.36. Amen?
Amen.
Are you following? Okay. So now, what are we going to do now? Let's find our dy. Two of us. It can be easier for us to obtain our dy. Then our dy is equal to what? It's given as what? F of what? X naught dx minus what? X naught, right? Okay. So it implies that our dy is equal to, what is this?
One.
Is what?
One.
1 plus
0.2.
0.2 minus,
1.
wait, comment? Yeah? 1.2, right?
Yes.
1.2. All right. So, no. Comment? Wait. This one is it plus 1.2 minus 1? Oh, sorry. Let's obtain our dx first. Is that clear? Sorry, let's obtain our dx, which is x1, right? Minus x naught, two of us. From our formula, two of us. So our x1 is what? Yeah. 0.8, right? Then x naught, yeah, is what? Minus 1, right? Yeah. 0.8 minus 1. This one. Minus 0.2, right? Okay. So now let's obtain our dy equals to f of x naught plus dx close bracket minus f of what? X naught, right? So here will now be dy is equal to f of x naught is 1. Two of us. Dx is what? Minus 0.2 minus 1, right? Two of us. Look at it here now, from here. Amen? Two of us. Okay, so here is our dy is equal to 1 minus 0.2. What are you supposed to have? 0.8, right? So it means we are going to have f of 0.8 minus, substitute. If by the time you substitute here, you've gotten the answer now from here. Where? This one gives us what? This. Two of us. Is it not the same thing? Is there any need again? There is no need now. So our dy is going to give us minus what? 3.36 minus f of this. Minus what? Okay. F of 1. Look at it here now. Minus 2. Minus 2. Then this is minus 3.36 plus 2 equals to what? What should be the answer? Minus 1 point what?
Minus 3.6.
Minus 3.36 plus 2
minus 1.36.
minus 1.36, right? Then, what we do, we look for dy all over what? In x. What is our dy? Our dy is minus what? 1.36 all over the x. Yes. So our dy all over the x is equals to, what should be the answer?
Minus 6. Yes, minus 6.0.
No, something is missing here. Here is minus now. True or false? This and this 1.0.2. So our dy all over the x is equals to, is 6 point what?
8.
6.8. Yeah. So this is how you are going to evaluate or solve this type of question. Any question? That is why you have an idea. Engineers, yeah. Yeah. Any question? So that let's proceed. Okay. Amen. So I can play this, right? Where do you want it to play? Yeah? What about here?
No.
Okay. Differentiate from first principle. If y equals to 2x raised to power 2, find dy all over x from first principle. Amen. From first principle. People are still copying. You're back? Okay, got to go. Thank you. Are you done? People are still copying, man. Yeah. Where are you people? Where? You are almost done, right? I can feel here.
No.
Yeah?
Yes.
Okay, the question says if no noise, no talk. If y equals to 2x raised to power 2, find the y all over the x from first principle. From first principle. Or whichever one. Okay, now this is where the calculus have started. So I want you people to listen very attentively. Is that clear? Let us listen very well. Okay. Now, how can we differentiate this function from first principle? Let's listen. Look at it. If you can see what I am saying, look at it very well. At first, we are going to consider the formula, right? The formula, I said y plus what? dy is equal to f of x plus ds, right? Okay. Ordinarily, let us just differentiate it ordinarily. If they ask you to differentiate this function, what are you supposed to have? What should be the answer? 4x, right? 4x, true or false? Because we are supposed to have, if y is equal to 2x raised to power 2, your dy all over dx is equal to 4x raised to power 2 minus 1, then dy all over dx is equal to 4x. True or false? This is what we are supposed to get, even if we use first principle. Do you understand? So now, they say use first principle. They do not say just differentiate it generally. But this one, you are asked to, look at the question. Find the y dx from where? First principle. So at first, what you need to do is to consider the formula. The formula is this, true or false? Y equals y plus dy is equals to f of x plus what? Yes. All in bracket. Amen? Amen. Okay. So if you agree with me, I want us to know one thing. Just listen. What do we have here? The function 2x, right? Square. Then let's come back to consider what is here. F of what? X plus dx. True or false? True. You don't need a prophet to tell you. If now we bracket this, it means f here. What is the f here? Thank you. Then we have x plus dx. We have x. So it means the x here. This thing is representing what? X. Do you understand? So for that reason, x is squared. So it means we are going to square this. So it means this is how this function will look like. 2 open bracket what? X plus dx close bracket what? X. Can you see now? Do you understand? So supposing we have, assuming y equals to 2x squared plus x. You understand? It means here we are going to write this, true or false, plus the same thing applicable because the f here is what? If it's a go one, true or false? True or false? True. So it means it will now look like 2 open bracket x plus dx all in square plus open bracket x plus what? Dx. Because nothing is here. So it means instead of x, we replace it with what? Yes. X plus dx, not dx. Is that clear? So we have to take note of this. And if you understand this logic, you are done. Amen? Amen. So let us proceed. Let's proceed. So if you can see what I am saying, you don't need a prophet to tell you. It means our answer is supposed to be dy all over dx. Dy all over dx is supposed to be what? 4x, right? Yes. This is what we are going to arrive at. Amen? Okay. So now, let us go by this. Our y plus dy is equals to f2 open bracket x plus dx. Amen? Amen. Do you understand? Yes. Okay. Now we have to subtract y from both sides. Subtract y from both sides. Is that clear? So it means let us obey this statement. So mathematically it means y minus y plus dy is equals to 2 open bracket x plus dx open bracket minus what? But if I were you, put it inside brackets. Do you understand? So now, oh, this is square. Now, y minus y, 0. We'll be left with what?
dy.
So our dy is equals to 2. Let us open this bracket using binomial theory or Pascal triangle. Yeah. We've forgotten. And I taught you Pascal triangle, 2 of us. Yeah. Because we don't want to say x plus dx times x plus dx. It is a long process. Your Pascal triangle is 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1. 2 of us. Since it is raised to power 2, you just need 1 through 1. That will be the answer. Or you follow this way with this times this x squared, this times this plus x dx, this times this plus x dx, amen. This times this plus dx squared. Is that clear? So now, here, this is what we are going to have, x squared plus, we can have this to give us 2x dx plus dx squared, right? Then minus, what is y?
1.
Right.
0.
Who is 0?
2x squared.
See your y now, they say y is equal to 2x squared now, 2 of us. 2x squared, yeah, right. We factor, we open this bracket. Our dy is equal to this times this 2x squared plus 4x dx plus 2dx squared minus 2x squared. Amen?
Amen.
You don't need a prophet to tell you. This and this will go. True of us. Amen? So our dy is equals to 4x dx plus 2dx squared. So now, what we need to do, we are asked to find dy all over the x, not dy. So at this point, we are going to say divide through by what? Dx. Divide through by dx. So this implies that our dy all over dx is equals to 4x dx all over dx plus 2dx squared all over dx. Amen?
Amen.
This and this will cancel. True of us. If this and this cancel, remember what? 1 dx. True of us. So here will now be dy all over dx is equals to 4x plus 2dx. So at this point, what you need to do here is you now introduce what is called limits. Amen? You introduce what is called limits. Here, we are going to introduce as limits dx tends to 0. Amen? It means our dy all over dx is equals to, anywhere you see dx is what you put 0. So here is 4x plus 2 open bracket what?
0.
Amen? You can now see that we are putting the answer.
Yes, sir.
So our dy all over dx is equals to 4x because 2 times 0. Any question? Is it difficult? Yeah. Please copy very fast. Where are you so that I can clean? Can I clean your room?
No.
Oh,
No.
Yeah.
Amen. Okay, yeah. So let us fix idea. Another example, notice find dy all over x. If y is equals to x raised to power 3 minus x raised to power 2 minus 4. And also find the values of dy all over dx. A is x equals to 4. A, x equals to 4. B, x equals to 0. And C, x equals to -1. Amen? Amen. Okay? No noise, no talk. So let's proceed. Is that clear? So what do? We write solution, right? Okay. Our y is given as what? X raised to the power 3 minus x raised to the power 2 minus what? 4. So what is the formula? Differentiate, sorry. Find the, okay, let me just using first principle. Using first principle. Okay, so let's look at it. Amen. So what is the formula? Huh? Y plus dy equals to f of x plus dx. Amen?
Amen.
Okay? So far, so good. Y plus dy is equals to here. What is here? 1. True or false? So here is 1, but it's not necessary. But x here is what? Cube, right?
Yes.
So x plus dx raised to power what?
3.
Then minus what is here? 1. It's not necessary, but x is squared. So x plus dx raised to power what? Then minus what? 4. Supposing we have 4x is the same thing as applicable. True or false? Okay, ordinarily, if we differentiate this function, what do you think we are supposed to have? If we are to differentiate this function to y over dx, we are supposed to have 3x squared minus 2x. True or false? This is what we are supposed to have. True or false? Ordinarily. Okay, so now we have to, what do? We subtract y from both sides. It means our dy is equals to the x, all is raised to power 3 minus open bracket x plus dx raised to the power of what? 2. Then minus 4 minus open bracket y. True or false? Okay? So our dy is equal to open bracket x plus dx raised to the power of 3 minus open bracket x plus dx raised to the power of what? 2. Minus 4 open brackets y. What is y? What is your y? Look at your y now. Minus 4. Amen? Amen. Okay. So we have to expand this. We use Pascal triangle. It means we need 1, 3, 3, 1. True or false? Your Pascal triangle. You know, if we are to expand this way, it will take us time. True or false? Right? This will take us time now. True or false? So we apply Pascal triangle. We just need 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 3, 1. We just need this. True or false? So our dy is equals to x cubed plus 3x squared dx plus 3x dx squared plus z squared. Then minus the same thing applicable is what? X squared plus 2x dx. Amen? Plus dx squared. True or false? Then let us multiply out this bracket. This one times this. Oh, sorry. Not. Here is minus now. True or false? The minus not multiplying. Sorry. X raised to power 3 minus x squared minus 4. True or false? X raised to the power of 3 minus x squared minus 4. Amen? True or false? Right? Yeah? No. Look at your y now. What is your y? Is it not the function here? Look at it now. So look at, instead of y, you write this now. Is it not the same thing? So what do you want again? How we got this one?
Yes, sir.
This one?
Yes.
I have used this one to multiply, this 3 bracket to multiply, you still get back this. This one, we've done it before, true or false? And you get this now. So at this point, what we need to do here is x raised to the power 3 plus 3x squared dx plus 3x d squared plus dx squared. Multiply out this bracket using this sign. Here will be minus x squared minus 2x dx minus dx squared. Multiply this bracket minus x raised to the power 3 plus x squared plus 4. Amen?
Amen.
So if you look at this idiot, you don't need a prophet to tell you, true or false. Look at it. This and this will go. True or false? Then,
dx squared.
Yes.
dx squared.
no. We omitted something.
Yes.
We omitted this 4.
Yes.
We omitted this 4 here.
Oh my
We omitted this 4 minus 4 minus open bracket x. It means if people are blind mathematically, none of you can even say, "Kai, sir, you omitted this." You are blind mathematically.
They are hungry.
Which one is hungry?
Making noise. They're hungry.
So here, supposed to be y equals x raised to the power 3 plus 3x squared dx plus 3x dx squared plus dx squared. Open this bracket minus x squared minus 2x dx minus dx squared, right? Minus 4, open this bracket minus x raised to the power 3 plus x raised to the power 2 plus 4. True or false? So this and this will go, and this and this will go. Which one again? This and this will go. If, as you can see, this and this will cancel. True or false? Then we will be left with y is equal to 3x squared dx
Plus 3x dx
3x dx squared
minus
then minus 2x dx. Amen?
Amen.
So what we do? We divide through by what?
Dx.
Dx. True or false? So divide through by dx, right? So this implies that our d1 all over dx is equal to what? 3x squared dx all over dx then plus 3x dx squared, right?
Yes.
All over dx then minus 2x dx all over what? Dx. This and this will cancel.
Minus 1.
If you don't understand, go back to the video. Okay, let's so now the same we should consider x equals to what? 4, right? So it means A, what you need to do, A, our dy, our dy all over the x at x is what? 4, right? X is 4. True or false? X equals to 4. It means here will be what? 4 equals to, anywhere you see x, you write what? Is that here? So here will now be 3 open bracket 4 raised to power what? 2 minus 2 open bracket what? 4, right? True or false? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Then here our dy all over the x at 4 is equals to this one 16. 3 open bracket 16 minus 8. What should be the answer? Do your calculator. Press your calculator. Sorry. 40, right? The same thing applicable at, that is B, right? X equals to 0, right? It means our dy all over the x at 0 equals to 3 open bracket 0 1 square minus 2 1 is 0. You can now see that I don't need the prophet to tell you this is 0. True or false?
True.
Amen.
Amen.
Now you people should try and finish C part. Is that clear? Okay, let's look at one more example, and we call it a day. Another example. Differentiate from first principle. Y equals to 2x minus 3 all over 3x plus 4. Amen. Am I rushing you guys? I'm rushing you guys. Are you sure?
Yes.
I'm not rushing you guys. I'm not rushing you guys. And these are the types of questions you should expect me to set. Okay, amen? Yeah, so let's look at this problem. They said differentiate from what? First principle. You are looking at your time. Where is your mind? Yeah? You want to go out? Go and say something. It's not yet time now. I even want to tell you. And y is equal to 2x minus 3 all over what? And note that our oh, sorry. Note that our f of x plus dx, true of us. So what we need, this one, when you come at these are quotient functions. So when you come across this, you don't need a prophet to tell you. What you need, you just need only this, true of us, to substitute. True of us, to apply the formula, our y plus dy is equals to f of x plus dx, right? True of us. Okay? So y plus dy is equals to, what is here? Your x is, this is your x, true of us. So we'll substitute in, because your f is 2. X plus dx, isn't it? Minus what? 3. All over the same thing. F here is what? 3. 3 open bracket x plus dx plus what? 4. Then now here we are going to have our dy, where we subtract y from both sides. Our dy will now be 2 open bracket x plus dx minus 3 all over 3 open bracket x plus dx plus 4 minus what? Y. But what is your y? Thank you. So here we are going to have our dy is equals to, let's open this bracket, 2x plus 2dx minus 3 all over, open this bracket, 3x plus 3dx plus 4 minus 2x minus 3 all over 3x plus 4. Amen? Amen. So at this point, what we do, what are we going to do when you come across questions? Yes, we look for what? The LCM. True of us. So let's look for the LCM. The LCM for this is our dy is equals to, okay, let me still bring it down. It is equals to, let's look for the LCM. The LCM is 3x plus 4 times 3x plus 3 dx plus what? Plus 4, right? True or false? So this one coming to divide this, what are you supposed to have? 1, true or false? You're supposed to have this one, true or false? Then use it to multiply this, you are going to have 3x plus 4 times open brackets. If I were you, do it in this form, 2x and 3x should be one side, then plus, is that clear? So here will be 2x minus 3 plus 2dx, right? Close the bracket. What do we have here? Minus. Use this to divide this. You will be left with this, true or false? Then use it to multiply what is here. So open bracket, 2x minus 3, open big bracket, the same thing applicable, 3x, you add 3x and 4. Put it inside the bracket, 3x plus 4, then plus 3 dx. Amen? Okay. Yeah. Are you following? I think you want to become engineers.
It's by force.
They are calling engineers when they do that. True or false? If they call you engineer Musa, your thoughts are just be like this. Just to like this. True or false? Because they are calling you engineers, your head will now be
No.
engineer. Yes. So it's not easy to become an engineer. If other tells you what they have been solving, you won't believe. Yeah? Okay, let's proceed. No noise.
What was the video? What was the video?
There are people are making noise. Hey, you are making noise. I'll walk you out. People are making noise. What's the problem? I'm doing everything possible for you to learn. If you don't understand it, go to the YouTube. You understand now. You people are still complaining. How many courses they are doing like this?
What do you want?
Yeah.
Treasure, which is the course now? It's only this course. It's not only this one. Most of all the courses stay in calculation. It's only one course. This is the video now. Go and watch it. Only one course. You watch it.
Let's continue. Is that clear? Okay. Yeah, if you can see what I am saying, our dy is equals to, let us multiply out. This one times this, 6x squared. This one times this, minus 9x. Then this one times this, plus 6x dx. Amen? True or false? Then use this to multiply, plus 8x. And use this to multiply minus 12. Then use this to multiply plus 8 dx. Are you following?
Yes.
You are following, right? It's okay. Okay, so let's proceed. Then where are we? Let's hold this one constant. We are done, right? This side. Minus open bracket. Use 2x to multiply this. You have 6x squared. Use 2x to multiply 4. You have plus 8x. Use 2x to multiply 3 dx. You have 6x dx. True or false? Then use minus 3 to multiply 3x. Sorry, minus 9x. Then use minus 3 to multiply minus 12. Then use minus 3 to multiply this. Minus what? Minus 3 times.
Minus
6, right? Engineering students. Continue. Is that clear? Continue. Then all over what? Limit like this. 3x plus 4. Open bracket. No lines. 3x plus 4. Amen? Okay? So, I did not force anybody to come and study engineering. Now only you work out from 2 of us. Anything when you see. It's okay. Let's proceed. 6x squared minus 9x plus 6x dx plus 8x minus 12 plus 8 dx. Open this bracket. Minus 6x squared minus 8x minus 6x dx plus 9x plus 12 plus 9 dx. Amen? All over 3x plus 4, open brackets, 3x plus 3x plus 4. Amen? Amen. Good. So far, so good. Not so. Not so. You don't need a prophet to tell you this and this will go. You need a prophet. This is the prophet. This is the prophet. Amen? Amen. Okay? So, okay, 9x and this one will go. Amen? 12 and this will go. 8 and this will go. Okay, at this point, yeah, let's leave this one. Okay, they should go, right? Okay, this and this will go. Are you satisfied? Yes. Enjoy yourself. Amen? Amen. Okay, so now we are left with 8 years and what? So our dy is equals to 8x plus 9x all over 3x plus 4 times 3x plus 3x plus 4. Close bracket. Amen? Amen. Are you seeing what I am saying? Yes. Look at the board. I know you are blind mathematically. I will open your eyes. Just look at the board very well. Are you seeing what I am saying? No. You are not seeing? Yes. Okay. Use your right hand to clean your 2 eyes and look at the board again. Clean it very well. Open your eyes, look at the board again. Are you seeing what I am saying? Yes. Who is seeing what I am saying? Yes. Nobody? Yes. Okay, what are you seeing? Tell us.
I'm seeing right up on people.
Okay. I expect you to see this. The x is common.
Yes.
True or false?
Yes.
So we have to factor it out. 8 plus 9, open bracket, dx, all over 3 plus 4, 3x plus 3dx plus 4. Amen?
Amen.
Then this is the same thing as 17 dx all over what? 3x plus 4, close bracket, 3x plus 3dx plus 4. Amen?
Amen.
Okay. Yeah. So what we do at this point? Who can tell us? At this point, now our dy is equals to 17d all over 3x plus 4. Open bracket, 3x plus 3dx plus 4. True or false? So, as you can see now, who can tell us the next step? Divide through by what?
dx.
If we divide through by the x, it means if we divide through by the x, divide through by the x. This implies that dy all over the x now be equals to this dx, and the other will cancel. True or false? So we will be left with 17 all over 3x plus 4, open bracket, 3x plus 3dx plus 4. Amen? So what next? We introduce limits. True or false? We introduce limits. As limits, the x tends to what? 0. It means here will now be our dy all over the x is equals to 17 all over 3x plus 4 times 3x plus 3. Anywhere you see dx, look at it. You write 0, true or false? Then plus 4. Then the answer will now be equals to, let me just do it here. So here will now be our dy all over the x is equals to 17 all over 3x plus 4. Then here is times 3x plus 4. You can now see that the same bracket, true or false? So we can reduce it in this form. Dy all over the x is equals to 17 all over 3x plus 4, all in square.
Amen.
Amen?
Amen.
This is the final answer.
Wonderful.
But I want you to take note of this. Now, maybe in the exam, I may say differentiate from first principle y equals to. Then I will now say A, x equals to 0, B, x equals to what? Let me say minus 1. Is it difficult? Yes. No. If A is equal to 0, it means our dy all over the x at 0. True or false? At 0 equals to 17, open bracket, 3, 0, plus 4. True or false? True. Raised to power 2, isn't it?
Yes.
This is also 0. Yes. True or false? Do you need a prophet to tell you? No. You don't need a prophet. So if you can see what I am saying, here is 17 all over what? 4. This is the answer. So it implies that our dy all over the x at 0 is what? 17 all over 4. Amen? Yeah. Is it difficult? No. Eh? No. Is it difficult? Yes. No, it is not. If you don't understand, go back to the video. It will do you good.
But the video is not long.
Huh?
The video calculation is
Like,
It's not short.
short. You want my
Full. Amen.
yeah.
Okay, gentlemen and ladies, thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. Please, I want you to like, share, and comment. God bless you. Bye. Love you guys.